whole exam. Read the whole exam. Before even starting solving it, read the whole exams. Right now we are discussing Ebenezer's idea. Mr. Ebenezer has idea here. He gave us this morning that for us to pass exams, we have to do this one. We have to start with easy question first. Tukimaliza easy question, ndio tuna jump into hard questions. I like that idea. But step number 1 now we add read the whole exam. Sababu huwezi kujua what is easy question kabla hujasoma mtihani wote. Understand? Read the whole exam. Step number 2. Now here we have to choose. Now I think is it? What is next here? After reading the whole exam, who can give me, we think, the good idea? Yes? Let me put it down here. After reading the whole exam,
start with the easy question.
Start the easy question. I think another good idea here, you have to know how many are easy questions, isn't it? Let me ask you another friend of mine here. After reading the whole exam, what is next here?
Read the instructions.
Come again?
Read the instructions.
Here, Mr. Your name again? Isaac told us we have to read the instructions. I think this is the first one. Read the instruction. Okay, now we're here. Tumesoma mtihani wote. What is next? What is the goal of reading the whole exam? Lengo letu nini? What was our goal to read the whole exam? Before even starting doing, what was our goal? What was our goal to read the whole exam? Our goal was to know how many questions we know and how many we are struggling with. Understand? So I think now step number 2 could be pick those questions which you are very sure you know them. Understand? You can even tick. You can even put tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see?
Yeah.
You can even tick them. And they say, oh wow, these exams, I know only 13 questions out of 50. Oh, I know 49 out of 50. Oh, I know all questions. If you know all questions now, step number 3, start solving all of them. Hamna kitu mimi kinachoniuma kama mtu anakosa maswali anaoyajua. Kwenye mtihani, I think that is a bad one. Mimi kukosa sina shida, lakini unakosaje swali unalolijua? In previous exams, hakuna waliokosa maswali wanayojua. Wapo.
Okay.
Unayajua afu unakosa. I think that is bad.
Very bad.
Very bad. Na mwingine kwa nini anashindwa kusoma? Kwa sababu so Ebenezer's idea tell us we start with easy question first. Sawa. Kwa number 1 tumesoma we care about details. When we care about details, what do? We read the questions. Number 2, we remember to put some units. For example, in some questions, there are some units. For example, kilometer, meter, centimeter. Understand? If you forget to put some units, means you're failed and you're wrong. So that is very important. Another thing which is very important for us to pass exam is to focus. To do what? That is number 2. Number 1 was to care about details. Number 2 is to focus. Number 1 is to care about detail. Number 2 is to focus. Number 2 is to focus. I think this is one of the big problems we have. Focus. I think that is the one among the big problem which we have. When you say to focus, that is a very big problem which you have. One of the meanings say focus means looking at your work and thinking about it only. Just write down. One of the meanings says focus means looking at your work and thinking about it only. One of the meaning of the word focus. Looking at your work. Looking at your work and focus about it only. That is one of the meaning of the word focus. Focus means you look at your work and you think about it only. And thinking about it only. I think it's something to remove. Looking at your work and thinking about it only. Focus means looking at your work and thinking. This is very, very important. Na wanafunzi wengi siku hizi mnafeli kwa sababu ya ku miss focus. What is focus? Can you read together? What is focus?
Looking at your work and looking about it only.
So in examination now, we have to focus. We have to look at our work and think about it only. Yani upo kwenye chumba cha mtihani, you have to think about exam only. Understand? Yani uko kwenye chumba cha mtihani, hata kama mama nyumbani anaumwa, usimfikirie. Yes. Uko kwenye chumba cha mtihani, hata kama nyumbani mtu alikutukana, usimkumbuke tena. You have to think about it. Hata kama baba alikwambia ukirudi na kuchapa, yani hao yote sahau. You have to think about it, your work, and you have to look at your work and thinking about it only. Hasa maajabu, kuna mwingine kwenye mtihani ndio yale matusi ya watu wanakuja. Maneno mabaya yanamjia. Vyakula alivyoacha kwenye friji anafikiria mimi nimekuja kwenye mtihani, nimeacha baga kwenye friji. Mdogo wangu yuko nyumbani. Nikirudi nitakuta nini? Yale mawazo yanaweza kumhamisha mtu kwenye mtihani akapotea kabisa. Understand? Kwa mfano wengine marafiki zake wanakuja, let's say ni birthday ya rafiki yake anakuja. Kwa hiyo anaanza kufikiria birthday, anasahau exams. Kwa hiyo in focusing, don't think about positive issue or negative issue. Focus means think about this, what we do now. Understand? And later on you can think about birthday, think about the other people's bad stuff. Yes, it's okay. But right now, yes? Focus ni kitu ambacho unacho sana. Hata nimekwambia hata kama mama yako mzazi anaumwa, atumfikiri kwenye chumba cha mtihani. We can think about her soon after finishing exam. Understand? There's a question here. There's a question here. Question from my friend Catherine. Do you have to ask us a question? What is your question, Catherine? Eh? Why you have to think about the exam?
No.
Yeah.
Think the exam.
You have to think about exams only because you're in the exam room, and remember you got only 1 hour and 1.5 hours to do it. Kwa ukikosea pale, they're gonna put it forever. Kwamba huyu alipata mtihani, alipata B, alipata C, kumbe only because you don't focus. Kwa kwenye mtihani na even in the class, you have to focus. Kuna watu mko darasani sasa hizi lakini mawazo yenu yameshahama. Mnafikiria yani hapa muda wa break ukifika, ule mpira si umeficha wapi? What you miss? You miss focus. Kama Daiba hapa nafikiria yani teacher malizi huyu. Yeye ni kulose nini? Focus. Kwa mwingine anasema hapa mchana hapa cha chips kitokea hapa napiga faster. Ile ni kumiss nini? Focus. Kwa focus ni kitu ambacho you have to look at your work and thinking about it only. Now we say people focus. People focus. This is very important. When you focus, like here, when you focus, you listen carefully. So here, when you focus, let me write here. When you focus, if it is in a class, you listen carefully. Kama darasani, you listen carefully. If it's in an examination, you read carefully. You don't want to focus. People focus. Or when you focus, you listen carefully. Some people are not focusing now, you see? Wanapiga vitu vingine, story nyingine. When you focus, you listen carefully. If in a lecture like this one, or if it is a class, in examination, you read the question carefully. Hata ukiwa unajisomea, hivi ushakuona ukianza kusoma unasikia mawazo mara game. Yaani unafungua kitabu kusoma unasikia mara game, mara birthday, mara mpira, mara ile ni inaondoa focus. Yaani vingine ni vizuri kweli mara siwe. Yaani unaanza kama mtu anaongea wichini mwako vile. Tukacheze mpira kidogo, tukaimbe. Yaani unasikia mara muziki. And you still unamsikia sawa mwisho anakuja. Sasa hapa kacheze kidogo alafu uje kusoma baadaye. Hiyo ndio master anajua kumaliza shughuli yote. Unasema yes today, let me go to play a little bit and then I will read later. Ushaachwa. What you miss? Focus. Hata hapa tulipo kuna watu wako nyumbani kwao tayari. But their body is here. Those people, what do they miss?
Focus.
Focus. What is focus? Looking at your work and thinking about it only. That is focus. People focus. Another thing they do here, people focus. They look for the keywords. They look for the keywords in the questions. They look for the keywords in the question. People focus. They look, after reading carefully, you know the keywords. They know the keywords in the question. People focus, they know the keyword in the question. For example, somebody can ask you, find the difference. Sasha, be here, please. Focus. Focus means being at your work and thinking about it only. Right now here, you have to think about here only. After reading now, they know what are the keywords. For example, find the difference. The word difference means what? Let's say find the difference between 9 and 6. What is difference? Yes, there. The difference means subtract. So for example, how many odd numbers are there? What is keyword there? Yes?
Numbers.
Numbers. What is the keyword there? Yes? Odd numbers. Another keyword, another good word there is how many. Understand? Find the sum of all odd number. That is all the keywords. Do you know the meaning of the word sum?
Yes.
Sum means total. Understand? So people focus. They read carefully. They know the keywords in the examination. Another thing they do here, they check their work. They check again their work. What I don't focus, they check their work. They check their work. So you can feel here now, people, they check their work. Wanamaliza kufanya maswali lao, alafu wanaangalia tena hivi hapa nimepatia au nimekosea, anarudia kulifanya. Yani akishamaliza kujibu anahakikisha. Kuna wengine mnakosa even addition. Check your work. Last week mtu amekosa addition, subtraction. Unakosaje subtraction wewe? So guys, for today those two hints are very important because we have exams to do. Some of us will do 3 exams, some of us will do 4 exams. But what did I tell you? When you go to the exams, number 1, you have to care about the details. When you care about details, you read all the questions. After reading all the questions, Ebenezer say you do first those questions which are easy, and later on you finish with those which are tough. Mimi nitakupenda zaidi kama mtihani una maswali 33 unayajua 14, yale unayajua kayapata yote, nitakuheshimu sana. Ila nitakudharau sana kama mtihani una maswali 33 alafu unayajua yote alafu unapata 30.